Hello everyone, this is Summer. Glad to see you in Kingkar DPF cleaning machines factory today. This video I will briefly to introduce the details of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine to you. First, maybe you know DPF 6.0 is specially designed for heavy-duty trucks, and it also has the left and the right structure. In the left, it's a very big independent cleaning chamber, and in the right side, there is a vacuum room, and this is other device and site of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine. So the advantage of the left and the right structure is that the independent cleaning chamber is very big, so it can clean a very long or very huge DPF. And also the water in the cleaning chamber will not be easy to leakage to the right side, so it will be more safer when you operate this machine. The cleaning chamber of DPF 6.0 machine is very big. You can see we put a very big heavy-duty trucks SCR inside. The materials of the cleaning chamber is 304 stainless steel, so it have a high quality. Make this machine can use at least 8 to 10 years. And on the bottom of the cleaning chamber, there is also a heater inside. The left side is the cleaning chamber, and the right side is the PLC control system of DPF 6.0 machine. Turn on the machine by the button. This is the PLC control system of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine, and we can choose English as language and enter the automatic cleaning. The screen can help you to track the cleaning process. Right there, you can see Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine also have the printing function. We will prepare the date before and after cleaning of the pressure of the DPF. Then you and your customer will see the cleaning effects. On the bottom of the PLC control system, there are other devices of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine. This is the layout of the wires of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine. We use the imported Schneider switches, which has a high quality, long life, and not easy to leakage. Make it more safer when you operate this machine. And every layout of wires have a mark inside. So even if this machine have any problem, our engineer will help you to find the problem immediately and solve it. And on the layout of the wheels, there are another parts of this machine. And I will show you this device in other side. Open the door in this side, we can see other device of Kingkar DPF 6.0 machine. This is the water pump. It will pump the wastewater on the bottom of the cleaning chamber. And then the wastewater will run through from the filter tank, and it will be purified. The filter bag will be installed in the filter tank. This is a 10 microfill high-density filter bag, and this filter bag can purify the wastewater. All the carbon and the ash running through the filter bag will be stopped inside, and this filter bag is reusable after cleaning and drying. We will equip with 20 pieces of this filter bag with a machine to you. And this is the gas tank. This yellow one is the gas tank. The most differences between DPF 6.0 and 5.0 is that DPF 6.0 equipped with the air compressor. So you do not need to prepare an air compressor for 6.0. And this is the water tank. On the top of other device, there is a drying chamber. We use this drying chamber to dry the cleaned DPF. We can put the DPF inside and only take 30 minutes to dry one DPF. And we have prepared the oven gloves to protect the workers. This is the whole details of DPF 6.0 machine. DPF 6.0 machine is designed for heavy-duty trucks and as the drying function. The drying chamber and the cleaning chamber can work together. So if you are main service for heavy-duty trucks and you are interested in DPF 6.0 machine, welcome to set us inquiry.